to get level 2, level 3 P card data processing, you almost have to go with a giant, Chase Bank processing. For us, it was overwhelming the amount there was to learn to use a highly, highly robust system like that. And so the systems and solutions that Keith offered were much simpler. It's all the little things that Keith and PaySuite do well that everybody else seems to struggle with. As we started to sell more and more to the public, we needed to be able to have a system where our staff could sell whatever they needed to sell. And so now the terminal is really simple to use. It takes us 30 minutes to train somebody on our entire sales system, including the Excel sheets and everything. But I know that if we ever get to that point where I want to increase the volume, or if we want to put in a bigger, more robust solution, I know it's going to be easy because everything's been easy.